Hi guys, good morning. So here we will see using implicit intent how to open the gallery. So how to open the gallery of your system, we will see here this. So in this, so this I'll change as a open gallery. So I'll write here as a gallery. So now we'll apply the listener for that. So binding dot binding dot gallery dot. So set on click listener. So here where gal equal to. So here I'm enabling the intent, right? So intent. So what should I write here? Intent of. So here we are needed action view, that is a piece. So that is a intent dot action pick. So we are picking something. So what we are picking something. So that is gal equal gal dot set type. So what type of code you need? So initially I'm putting as an image. So first, if you put like this, images will open, only images. Then after running this, I'll show the next step. So that is how we need to open the different one. So if you won't put anything, all the content has enabled. If you put like this, only images. If you put video, only video. If you put PDF, only the PDF, like that, it will open this. So that lines I'll show you. Let's run this once. It is so now I'm clicking on this gallery. It is asking that photos and albums. I'm going with album. Wherever you go, see it is open only images because here we added as a image, right? So let I'll comment this. So here I'll add as a video. Then I'm running this. Now we will see here. See. So instead of now this, it will open the videos. Okay, now I'm clicking on this. See it is open. Asking same. Again, I'm going here. See now videos as open like this. So this is the next. I comment this. Next here I write application slash video. See now we will run this. What happened? We will see now. It is installing. Okay, for this it is for a certificate. So like this, it PDF file, like whatever the category you want. So that type of categories it will open that. So this is how we need to open the gallery. Thank you.